In this lesson, we want to look at the library and the object section and the 3D object at the home category. I will review all of them once to get better understand with all objects inside it, so you can use them in your project. Okay, there are several other sections in it. In the living room, but when you click on it, we have lots of category. The chair, you can use all of the with this beautiful chair, and some of them you have to download. Some of them simply log in your account and download it. Going back in the electronic appliance, you can use all of the electronic device. Going back in the lamp, you can use all of lamp. But if you want to use them in the night, you have to put the light in it. That will be teach you in the next lesson. Going back in the sofa and in a storage. Okay, in the tables and in the decorations. Okay, going back in the kitchen, we have kitchen chair and accessories. Appliance and food, all kind of food, and storage. Going back in a bathroom, sanitaries and accessories. Okay, going back in bedroom, we have the beds and storage and accessories. Going back in the office, we have also chairs and tables and accessories and storage. Going back at the gym, we have a sport device. Going back the street workout, yeah, lots of object needs. Okay, this is home section. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.